like operator. So generally this like operator is used with when we are performing the strings. So it works with two different kinds of wildcards. So let us look at those two different kinds of wildcards. First one is percentage. So it matches with any number of characters. You can give any number of characters, it will take. The second wildcard is underscore. It exactly takes only one character. It matches with exactly one character only. If you observe with the examples, you will understand more clearly. And this like operators were case sensitive. That's what you have to remember very carefully. So here if you can see in the first example, generally we have different types of characters that starts with, ends with, contains, like that. So in the first example, it started with the capital G and then percentage. That means any number of characters will be there after capital G. But we don't have any rows with capital G. It was case sensitive, right? So if you can see in the second example, I have used small g instead of capital G, right? So then we have got one row selected. That it means it is case sensitive. This like operator is case sensitive. So when you give capital G, it doesn't work. When you give small g, it does work like this. So it is case sensitive. Percentage is nothing but after G you can have any number of characters. In the next example, if you can see in between the two percentages, I have written A. That means A contains in any example. For example, if you can see Gayatri, it has A in between. In the left of it, some characters were there. In the right of it, some characters were there. For that purpose, you have to write like this. This is an example of contains. Okay, in the further rows also you can see every word has A in between the letters. So, and that's how we can use this contains example. And let's go with the next example. So select a star from students where name, like instead of name I have written NAE first, so syntax
column
error
doesn't exist here.
So you have written name like percentage I. At last I should be there. Before I there should be any number of characters. For those purpose we have to use like this. It is an example of ends with. Okay. At last I should be there, and before that, before I, there can be any number of characters, not just one or two, like any number of characters there will be. Okay, next example. So name like G underscore is nothing but you have to give only, there will be only one character in between. We don't have any name like capital G underscore Y, right? We don't have any name like that. And also we don't have any name like G underscore Y. We don't have any name like that. And if you can see next example, Gayatri underscore. After Gayatri there is nothing, right? So 0 rows. And if you can see at last Gayatri GAYATR underscore. There is only one character I left over, right? So that's why we have to use like this. So only if you have a last character, only single character was there, means you can use that like operator. Let us now know about the next one, ILIKE operator. It was also same like operator but case insensitive. Like operator is case sensitive, right? But ILIKE operator is case insensitive. So it ignores the uppercase and lowercase differences. So if you can see here, select a star from learners where student name like capital G percentage. Here I have given ILIKE. So capital G percentage. Here capital G or small g both are same. So we don't have any differences here. So for both the capital G and small g, we have got the same output. Okay, if you give like operator like that, only small g means small g. Capital G means you will not get any rows when you use like operator because it is case sensitive. You will not get any rows if you use capital G. So that's how this like operator and ILIKE operator differs.